Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, our today's lesson is related to the phylum Platyhelminthes, which are commonly known as the flatworms because these are dorso-ventrally pressed worms like paper or the leaf. That's why these are called the flatworms. Here you are watching the meaning of the word Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat and the helminthes refers to the word worm. So these are the flatworms. So you know that the triploblastic organization is starting from the phylum Platyhelminthes and towards the chordates. So all the phyla from the Platyhelminthes to chordates are including in the triploblastic organization, which are having the body derived from the three embryonic cell layers, which are called the ectoderm, mesoderm, and the endoderm, as in all the multicellular animals except the sponges and the coelentrates. So the triploblastic organization are excluding the coelentrates and the sponges. Sponges, which are the parazoans, do not have the tissue and the organ system, while the coelentrates or the cnidarians are the diploblastic organisms. Students, here you are watching the three important classes of the Platyhelminthes. The number one is the class Turbularia, and its important member is the Planaria. So the first figure you are watching the Planaria, and the second class is the Castoda, and its important member is the tapeworm. Here you are watching the tapeworm in the middle figure, and it's you can say the appearance is like the inches tape. That's why this is called the tapeworm. And the third class is the Trematoda, whose important member is the flukes. Here in this figure, students, you are watching about the nervous system of the flatworms. Nervous system is with the pair of the anterior cerebral ganglia and the ventral ganglion connected by a nerve ring and one or three nerve cords. And moreover, as far as the body symmetry of these organisms, they are showing the bilateral symmetry because they are having the right and the left side. Now in this figure you can easily watch that how their body is dorso-ventrally flattened and how their body is showing the bilateral symmetry. Now if we talk about the digestive system of these organisms, so they can have the incomplete type of the digestive system, but only in the class Turbularia, whose organisms or whose members are free living, while in the class Trematoda and the Castoda, which are parasitic in nature, the digestive system is poorly developed, and in the class Castoda, the digestive system is absolutely absent. Excretion in the members of the Platyhelminthes occurs with the specialized type of cells called the flame cells, which are attached with the ducts which open into the excretory pores. So these flame cells are the units of the excretory system of these organisms. Now here you are watching the details of the reproduction in these members of the Platyhelminthes. So both sexual and asexual type of reproduction can occur them. As far as the sexual reproduction is concerned, these organisms are hermaphroditic in nature. That means both type of sexes are present in the same member or in the same individual. So the cross fertilization or the you can say the self-fertilization can occur in them, and asexual reproduction is through the fragmentation. As you are watching the fragmentation, when the planaria is fragmented into the different parts, it has the ability to regenerate. So this is only this regeneration ability is only the class Turbularia or in the planaria, while this regeneration ability is absent in the Trematoda class or the Castoda class. Another important fact related to the body of the Platyhelminthes that their segments, as you're watching in the tapeworms, these segments are just superficial, or the apparent type of segmentation is present in their members, but the true type of segmentation is absent, or sometimes in some members of the Platyhelminthes there is the complete absence of the segmentation. So this is all about the phylum Platyhelminthes. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.